When first deployed, the Indian Arjun tank Mark I model used a German-made MTU diesel power pack. The MTU 838 KA501 engine is a liquid-cooled turbocharged diesel with 10 cylinders and a power output of 1400 horsepower. With strong acceleration and power-to-weight ratio, this foreign engine allowed the Arjun Mark I to reach high speeds of 70 km per hour on paved areas and roughly 40 km per hour when traveling cross-country across tough terrain. The Arjun, weighing over 50 tons, required reliable movement to perform its duties. However, using an imported German power pack has not been without problems. In 2021, the Indian Army sought to continue improving the Arjun platform by ordering over 100 modified Arjun Mark IA variants. However, engine provider MTU Friedrichshafen startled program officials by stating their inability to deliver the required engines due to supply chain delays. This dramatically pushed back manufacturing and deployment plans for the Mark IA fleet. India has intensified its attempts to develop indigenous engines to achieve strategic power pack independence. Over the last year, the Defence Research and Development Organisation, or DRDo, has significantly worked on the ambitious DATRAN 1500 engines. Early test findings in 2023 reveal that the DATRAN matches or exceeds the German MTU's output, capable of 50% more horsepower at 1500. This allows for further advancement of domestic Arjun variations in the future. With testing phases being deemed successful, defence officials anticipate sustainable serial manufacturing of DATRAN engines within 3 years. This will help India meet its goal of fielding Arjun tanks fueled by national power pack technology. Let's take a deeper look at what we know about the DATRAN 1500 engine. As an indigenous engine currently in development testing, India's DRDo has not published the technical specifications of the DATRAN 1500. For the time being, there are few publicly known specifications. It has been revealed that the 10-cylinder DATRAN has a traditional V-cylinder arrangement suited for efficient and compact installation in armoured vehicle hulls. Liquid cooling reduces heat and allows a turbocharged motor to operate at high revolutions per minute. Of course, the most important expected power is a massive 50% increase from 14 to 1500 horsepower in the transition from MTU to DATRAN propulsion. Additional details about the groundbreaking indigenous 1500 horsepower engine remain hidden, while final reliability tests and manufacture are underway. However, DRDo research documents provide additional technical information on a similar engine. According to these materials, the power plant is a diesel 12-cylinder, 90-degree V-type arrangement with direct fuel ignition. The 4-stroke engine is water-cooled and turbocharged. The maximum power output is 1,100 kilowatts at 2,600 revolutions per minute, which equates to about 1,500 horsepower. The maximum torque is significant, with 4,780 Newton-meters available at 1,560 RPM. Rounding off the details, the papers specify the engine's peak speed capacity of 3,250 rotations per minute. The production of the engine is expected to be in BML. In 2022, the Indian public sector entity BEML began the process of designing, developing, and supplying 1,500 HP engines to the Combat Vehicles Research and Development Establishment, or CVRDE, a unit of DRDo. The engine will power the future main battle tank, which is being developed by CVRDE and is intended to operate in harsh environments. The BEML Engine Design and Development Center is located within the Mysore complex. The center is funding the construction of a 1,500 horsepower engine for futuristic tanks, as well as other engines. Now let us talk about the Bharat Powerpack project, without which the discussion is incomplete. The Bharat Powerpack will be 2/3 of the size of the Arjun tank engine. The Bharat Powerpack will have a gearbox, a cooling system, air filtration, a preheater, a turbocharger, an electrical system, and power control. Depending on the user's specifications, it can be further customized for desert or high-altitude activities. With a few modifications to the engine control unit, the Bharat Powerpack can also be used to power the next-generation infantry fighting vehicle. The wet weight of the Bharat Powerpack is 2,200 kilograms, including coolant and oil. That makes it slightly heavier than most modern power packs, which typically weigh around 2,000 kilograms for the same horsepower generation. However, the commercial edition will most certainly save weight following numerous planned enhancements before it goes into production. It is crucial to note that while Bharat Powerpack and DATRAN 1500 are related, they are not the same. Bharat Powerpack refers to the whole power pack system of the Arjun tank, including the engine, gearbox, and other associated components. DATRAN 1500 is the indigenous engine currently being developed by DRDo. Initially, other engine alternatives for the Bharat Powerpack were examined, including the German-made MTU engine used in the Arjun Memkey 1 and the domestically developed DATRAN 1500. As testing and development of the DATRAN 1500 continue, it is expected to be integrated as the centerpiece of Arjun's Bharat Powerpack, which will power future iterations of India's main battle tank with indigenous engine technology. Now, should India wait 4 more years for the MTU engine production to start, or spend more time on domestic engines and delay the program? Do let us know in the comments. We discuss such interesting subjects every day. Please subscribe to the channel and share and like the videos.